Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some clock and date missing in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, click on time and languages, click on date and time. After doing this step, click on additional clocks, and after that click on show this clock, click on apply and OK button and close it. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, click on apps and features. After doing this test, select a search a clock, click on it, click on advanced options, scroll down, click on repair. After I click on reset, after that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrative privileges. After that type a dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image. After that space slash check health and press enter. After doing this, that type of command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash scan health. After completing that, type of command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image slash restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download, click on first link, scroll down and click on download now, create Windows 11 is installation media, click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it, click on accept button, click on next button, select the ISO file, click on next button, save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. And if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this, that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.